tablespoons, approximately. So like this. Sake. Almost the same. And soy sauce. Like this. And then sugar. Oh, I need some more sugar. Need to get some more sugar, sorry. It comes from Okinawa, and it's from the sugarcane. Big one. For it. That it will stick. And then a little bit, but not too long. She says the surfaces start to get dry. Roll it up. This. And then the last part is very difficult actually. If it's, if it gets too brownish, then you kind of put it up and then makes it go, adjust the temperature or the heat. Okay, and then just starting to get dry, you roll it up like this. And this part is actually the hardest, so sometimes you can roll it up like this.
Okay.
Then like this. So it's done.
take a picture with me.
Actually, yeah. A little bit. You have to bake a little bit. Start rolling. Gonna use this spatula. Yeah, this part is okay. Doesn't matter. You don't have to hold this though.
Lepas aja, lepas.
Oh yeah. Good. Just put it underneath. Well, not looking at that camera. This. I need some pictures for AirBnB. And it says that not looking at the camera.
It's natural.
Yes, natural picture.
Good.
Oh, perfect. Great. Okay, the last one. Great. Well, everybody is so successful. I'm surprised. That's okay.
Masukin.
Yes. Yes, you memorized already. Great. Just wait. You have to wait until it sticks together. Yes. Yeah. Is it? Yes. Wow. Wow. You did.
Tamara cooking.
Okay. This here.